The X431 Pros Mini diagnostic scanner offers extensive functionality including ECU coding, gear reset, and various system resets, making it a versatile tool for automotive maintenance. This diagnostic scanner supports over 150 car makes and 10,000 models, providing comprehensive diagnostics for electric, hybrid, and gas vehicles. The 2024 version introduces additional reset functions and bi-directional control, allowing users to perform specific tests and commands on vehicle systems. With a Wi-Fi-enabled one-click update feature, the X431 Pros Mini ensures that your software stays current, and it also supports remote diagnostics and vehicle health reports. The device boasts a 7-inch high-definition touchscreen, a 4,680 milliampere-hour rechargeable battery with up to 9 hours of life, and 32 gigabytes of storage capacity. Launch offers 2 years of free updates and a 5-year warranty, ensuring long-term support and reliability for users.